Can't sync your iCloud calendar in your iPhone? Well, look no further. Here is how you can easily sync all the appointments to Apple Calendar. So let's get started. To sync your iCloud calendar, first make sure to enable iCloud account. To do that, follow solution 1. Sync iCloud with Calendar app. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, scroll down, tap iCloud, tap C, all right next to Save to iCloud. Find out Calendar app. Make sure to turn it on. If these already turn on, then turn it off, then turn it back on again. Solution 2, sync all the event for iCloud account. Open Setting, scroll down to End, tap App, tap Search, type Calendar, find out the app, open this app, scroll down, tap Sync, select all event. Solution 3, offload the Calendar app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone storage, find out your calendar. Tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. There you have it. That's how you can sync your iPhone calendar on iPhone. Now, still, if you have anything to ask, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.